Okay, so let's do two things with this channel EQ. First of all, let's turn it on at a specific time and bypass it at a different time. And let's also adjust the amount of the high so that this turns up and down. Okay? Now, to automate effects, we do the same thing we did with automating volume. We're just automating a different thing. So the first thing we're going to do is press A to get our automation controls. Okay, now we see we're in automation mode. So this effect is on this track. So we're going to go to our little double drop down menu and we can dig through here and find what we want. For example, channel EQ is the name of this effect, and then the parameter that we want to do, that we want to automate. We can dig through that menu, or we can just click on the thing that we want. So first, let's deal with moving this parameter up and down. Okay, so I click on it when I have automation mode enabled, and my little pink line here is going to automatically turn into that thing. Okay, so let's put it where we want to start, and let's do it like this, and then let's have it open all the way up to about there over the course of this intro. Actually, let's make it a little bit faster, like that. Okay, so now this is going to open up right there. Let's just hear that. Cool. Now, let's turn this, let's automate the bypass, right? Which is this button right here is our bypass, right? So if I click on it, that works too, right? Now this automation, you can see here, is called device on. And I can't draw a ramp like I could with the other ones because this one only has two states, on and off. So now it's off if I make a point, and if I make another point and move it up, it just snaps to there, on. That's all I can do, right? So let's say it's on, and then right here, after the filter opens up, we want to flip that to off. Okay, and we just want to bypass that EQ. Okay, now you'll see when I play it, if I go back here, it's on, and remember that little pink square means that that's automated, and we see it there too. So what we're going to see is our automation turn the highs on our EQ up and then bypass our EQ. Cool, and that gives us our low end back. Now if I want to see all my parameters, I can go here and say show automated parameters only, and now it's going to only show in my list the things that I've already automated. If you want to do that, that way you can toggle between the two. Or you can say show all parameters and then click this little plus down here and you can see the different things. So now I'm looking at my device on. I can also look at my gain and show that in a new lane by clicking it here. Okay, so now I have these separate little lanes. That's what that plugin did. Automation lanes. So this one is showing the high gain EQ automation. This one is showing the device on automation. You don't have to do that, and frankly, I don't use automation lanes a whole bunch. But if you're automating a bunch of parameters on an effect, then it can be handy to do this automation lane thing, and so you can see multiple parameters at once.